Just stay here until you can talk.
Monthly test of the broadcast stations of your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, official messages would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
What did you do? Those women in that room told me a temporary solution. So I devised